Good evening, future Cavaliers. I'm Dr. Joe Rubens, proud principal here at John F. Kennedy High School, an international baccalaureate world school and one of U.S. News and World Report's 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, and 2021 best high schools in the country. I'm entering my 8th year here as principal, and quite frankly, I have the best job in the world. I want to welcome you to our open house event. I hope you will enjoy learning more about our programs tonight. Our goal is to continue to challenge our students intellectually, guide them socially, and promote critical and creative thinking and problem-solving skills. At JFK, we want our students to be adventurous and not afraid to make mistakes, because failure can fuel innovation. Our focus this school year is continuing to build upon our best work, applying key practices and learning opportunities in new ways, and continuing to meet the needs of our students and families. Have a wonderful evening and best wishes for a safe and successful school year.
Good evening, 8th grade students and families, and welcome to John F. Kennedy High School. My name is Jennifer Granados, and I am the Academy Coordinator here. Here at Kennedy, we offer programs, academies, sports, extracurricular activities, and clubs that will really enhance your high school experience and make it one to remember. We offer 2 application-based programs, which include the Regional International Baccalaureate, the Regional IB, our signature program, the Leadership Training Institute, or LTI, and 5 academies. Our academies include Broadcast Journalism and Communications, Business Administration and Management, Healthcare Professions, NJROTC, and the Teacher Academy of Maryland. Through the different academies, students take hands-on courses, learn more about their interests, and explore possible career pathways. We also have opportunities for internships and dual enrollment to really enhance and bring those academies to life. Thank you, and we hope that you stay tuned and listen to what our students have to say, and we look forward to working with you. Muy buenas tardes y bienvenido a John F. Kennedy High School. Yo soy Jennifer Granados y yo soy la coordinadora de las academias aquí en Kennedy. Aquí ofrecemos 2 programas de aplicación y 5 academias. A continuación van a aprender más sobre nuestras academias y programas. Y cualquier pregunta, por favor, nos dejan saber. Muy buenas noches.
Hi, my name is Aquila Lewis, and I'm in the LTI and Broadcast Journalism program here at Kennedy. Being in KCTV and a part of the Broadcast Journalism and Communications Arts program has given me an opportunity to showcase my leadership skills. Being in both programs has given me an opportunity to really get to know my community and to step outside of my comfort zone. Being a part of KCTV and the Broadcast Journalism program has given me connections to PBS and STN that will broaden my future. Mr. Inches is a great teacher when it comes to helping us learn the equipment and editing programs here at Kennedy.
I really enjoy IB Film because that was the class that introduced me to KCTV, which is our school's TV channel. And now, because of IB Film, I help do morning announcements and help develop segments on our channel. I'm a part of the Leadership Training Institute and the IB Diploma program here at JFK. LTI was a program that I was immediately interested in because it's a program that doesn't center around one specific profession. So instead, you gain leadership skills and all-around learning skills that will help you in whatever you decide to do in life. I knew that I was a highly motivated student, and joining LTI helped me to be a part of a community of motivated but also well-rounded individuals.
The program will help you so much throughout the next 4 years of high school. And will give you the opportunity to develop leadership skills, strengthen academically, decision-making skills, and participate in community service projects.
An emphasis of LTI is academic rigor.
The most convenient thing about LTI is that our coordinator, Mr. Frempong, organizes our schedule and gives us different advanced classes and electives for us to choose from. You will get involved in a lot of community service hours, like making blankets, food drives, and working with elementary schools. LTI has taught me so much about myself and how I've grown as a person and student through making generous contributions, becoming well-rounded, and learning about the real world. If you're looking to become curious, independent thinkers, joining LTI will give you an enormous amount of support and knowledge, which will benefit you in the long run. as you're moving on to college and in the real world. Getting into John F. Kennedy, I had the opportunity to be part of the Leadership Training Institute and the Health Professions Academy, which has taught me so much experience about medicine, anatomy, and clinical skills.
In learning about Kennedy, I was fascinated by all of the academies, but the Healthcare Professions Academy caught my attention. From day one, I knew that I could expand my interest in medicine by attending Kennedy.
In this class, we had the opportunity to practice how to treat our classmates as patients. We were able to learn how to take blood pressure, vital signs, just as we would do in patients.
During my 10th grade year, I had the opportunity to decide what I want to do: Certified Nursing Assistant, which is helping patients with direct healthcare needs, or Certified Clinical Medical Assistant, which is a health professional that supports other health professions in clinical settings. I gladly went into the CCMA pathway, and by the time I was in 11th grade, I passed the exam to become a medical assistant. Right now, I have an internship with Holy Cross, and just last week, I administered COVID-19 vaccine booster shots.
I'm also in the IB diploma program, which I was introduced to in 10th grade. I was interested in the IB diploma because I knew it would help me become a more expansive and well-rounded thinker that took all perspectives into account. On top of that, it would help me prepare for the workload in college. Ms. Davis said that getting into college was one thing, but staying in college was another. So the IB diploma would really give me the skills to handle the workload in college.
Since my freshman year of high school, I've been a part of the Fiocca team as well as a lacrosse team. I'm also a part of 2 academies, which is the Teacher Academy of Maryland, to which I'm starting my year-long internship at. And also, Teacher Academy of Maryland is basically my TAM, which is our academy slogan. And I'm super excited to be taking a part of this academy because it has not only taught me I can become a teacher, but also a school psychologist and more. I'm also part of NJRTC, which is like a family to me, and I wouldn't change a thing about it.
Within the unit, we're a family, we work as a team, and we help each other. My favorite experience was basic leadership training, which was a 3-day overnight trip to a campground. We were split off into 3 platoons with 8 to 10 cadets in each. We learned our Navy Corps values, did physical education, learned the chain of command, and how to do basic drills when marching, like saluting, a right face, and a left face. I'm a part of the drill team, athletic team, and academic team. For those who want to join the military, the unit teaches you a lot of discipline and lays a basic foundation of general knowledge to prepare for military life. Color Guard presents the flags at events like our home football games, other patriotic events, and parades.
And the day of homecoming, we asked cadets to march. For ROTC, we marched there in the parade. One of my most memorable moments here at Kennedy High School is the Homecoming Spirit Week, where we dress up during the days of the week to get ready for homecoming, as well as we have participated in hallway night. And I'm proud to say that I belong at John F. Kennedy High School.
In addition to our programs and academies, our Kennedy Cavaliers also participate in sports, extracurricular activities, and clubs. We are Kennedy.
We are Kennedy.
We are Kennedy.
We are
Kennedy. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. We look forward to working with you. Go Cavs!